Welcome to my project Bazaar. Title: A visual model based perceptual image has for content authentication. Modified title: A real perceptual image has for method content authentication. Modified abstract: A perceptual image has function maps on image to short binary string based on the image appearance to the human eye. Perceptual image hashing is useful to image database watermarking and authentication. Image perceptual hash has been proposed to identify authenticate the image content in robust way against distortion caused by compression noise, common signal processing, geometrical modification. The system combines statistical analysis method, visual perception theory to develop the real perceptual image hash method for content authentication. Existing system. In existing system, the system relationship based method. This method is used to the invariant relationship of the image transform coefficient, discrete cosine transform and discrete wavelet transform to generate the image feature and hash codes. Also, existing system proposed a chorus representation to sketch based on approaches. The hash code are calculated by using the global codes feature of an image, such as the spatial distribution of the wavelet coefficient, low frequency coefficient of the Fourier transform. Existing system disadvantage. So existing system disadvantage: it might not be adequate for detecting group and replacement manipulation inside the image object. Relevant: select the point not clear. This method has poor robustness because a lack of comprehensive image features. It's not as sufficient and efficient. Proposed system. In proposed, the system proposed a real perceptual image method content authentication of tampering detection, tampering localization, developed by using this method. Western visual model used to extract the visualized features play on the important role of human perceiving image content. So proposed system advantage: it's used to extract visually sensitive features. It's a robust, it achieves perceptual sensitivity, used to reduce vector dimension to generate hash value. Flow diagram. First you can take the input image for select a given path and file name. After then you can proceed for pre-processing. After then SAFT algorithm you can apply it and feature extraction, tamper reduction and tamper localization, and extract the estimation, analyze and perform, detect the result. Same the system architecture. So given an input image after pre-processing and SAFT algorithm. Pre-processing image, upload the file and path name, form a data type JPG and load the input original image. Further dataset creation, develop the action further. Image similar to some action will be proceed step by step. First the input image convert into gray image, binary image after reduce the color, and we apply the DCD command after complete the processing level of input image. Pre-processing, upload the image and convert the image and apply the DCT compression. SAFT algorithm also the scale invariant to detect the descript of the local features any image or object. Interesting point on the object can be extracted to provide feature description of the object. This description extracted training image can then used to identify the object attempting to locate the object. MATLAB 2030 software I will use to for this. A visual based image has authentication function. So this is the coding data set and benchmark data. So this is both of the data set. You can just go to the path and file name, given path and file, and select the image, and the images it will be access on pre-processing, feature extraction, SAFT feature algorithm only we have used. After feature extraction, perform and analyze this, tamper detection and localization. So this kind of way you got the output. So you can first select the image, gray image, after then DCD compression, after you can got the SAFT feature extraction. That extraction you can detect the output. So I will run the coding now. Now run this coding. It will be go to some data set, selected some images, data set or benchmark data, So given this any one of the image you can open means it will be run, you got the output. So two image you can compare the output. So another time you can select next image, so it will be add, you got the output. This is the first input images. I will compare both two images. Next you can got the gray images. This is the gray image, second input output. Finally you can got the output of workspace and then command history, so it will be run and you got the output final. So this kind of way you got the output for final for this image.